Multi-channel marketing is all about choice, giving your customers the choice of interacting with you in whatever manner is most convenient for them at all stages of the customer journey. Why is this important? The proliferation of channels gives consumers more control over the buying process. It is essential to reach your customers when they are ready to engage. Sounds like a no-brainer, right? However, multi-channel marketing is only effective if done correctly. Here are 3 ways companies fall short. Irrelevant messaging. Your messaging must be highly targeted. The many channels available to customers means that delivering the right message to the right audience isn't enough. Disjointed campaigns. Campaigns must be highly choreographed across all channels to reach the right customers. Tailor your message for each channel in a way that customers will find meaningful and trustworthy. Poor optimization. Which channels are delivering the best results? Knowing what triggered a customer to respond enables you to assess whether or not your marketing efforts are getting results. Let's go over 3 key steps to successful multi-channel marketing. Create and maintain a single view of the customer. It is vital that you understand your customer's value and how they interact with your brand across multiple channels. Establish a platform that integrates traditional and emerging channels. You can greatly simplify the creation and execution of cross-channel campaigns by creating a single campaign that can be replicated across various channels. Strengthen your brand by creating consistent customer experiences across all channels. Customer experience is one of the most powerful competitive differentiators. Multi-channel marketing is complex. However, it is indispensable when trying to connect with customers. By deploying a multi-channel platform, you will know your customers' value, deliver consistent experiences, and find it simple to hit your mark.